everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel and merry Christmas. I hope you all are enjoying. So today I enjoyed so much. It was an amazing day and I got so many gifts, or I can say I got so many apples because everyone give me apple. So because Christmas day people give apple to each other, so I got so many apples. And another thing also that I will share with you. Why I am sharing? Because it was an amazing day. I wanted to make this day more special. I want to capture this day, so that I am making this video. So let's start with first apple. Okay, this one. Okay, wow, beautifully packaged with this ribbons. Oh, it's amazing. It's so big apple. And this one, this also beautifully packaged, and blue and pink combination looks so good. Okay, then another blue. This one blue with a red. Wow, these all are same packaging, but this one my favorite. I like this gift paper, and this is so cool. You look, wow, pink and white together, so it's so cool. Yeah. This one, oh my god, this look like bouquet. Okay, look like flower. Oh, this small apple but so big packaging, so looks so good. Purple and pink papers. Okay, wow, chocolate. Wow, with this one apple and one chocolate. Wow, this one so cute. You can see apple. You look this love, into this love, you can see apple. Wow, love. Oh, another student gave me this. Okay, this, I think this, this Chinese language. Okay, this maybe noodles. Okay, noodles, I can eat little. Oh my gosh. Wow, with Santa and Merry Christmas. It's so light. Oh, not so heavy. I think not apple. Another thing. What's this? Oh, I think bread. Yeah, bread. Something new. Okay, now next this also not apple. So light. What's this? Let me see. What's this? How to open? Oh, mirror. So small little mirror. Where is me? Wow, so cute. Little mirror. This I can carry with me anywhere, and I can make up. Wow. What's this? I don't know. Ooh. Another two little things. Wow, one. Wow, this peach. This not real peach, can't eat. Just can show. And one little snail. Wow, this so cool. Look, so amazing. I know who gave this. Her name is Alice. So thank you, Alice. Then, oh, this one. Wow, this one's so heavy. I think this apple and what's this? First look this. Oh, chocolates. Chocolates. Wow. Merry Christmas, Jay. Oh, Jay gave me this. You can see he wrote a note. Merry Christmas, Jay. So thank you, Jay, for chocolate. I like this. And one. Oh, apple. Okay, now last one. This is last. This amazing. This is my favorite gift. Yeah, this one is my favorite. Can you guess what's this? Perfect time. The best gift for you. Yes, this is the best. Cake. I love this cake. Oh, look this cake. You can see Merry Christmas, Santa, and this Christmas tree. This Christmas tree cream, and this Santa. You can see this Santa made by strawberry and cream. Wow, this is amazing. And this gave me $1. So thank you, $1, for this amazing cake. Okay. Merry Christmas. Okay, so this all my gifts I share with you. I hope you enjoy this. We should enjoy every day. Don't wait for some special day. If you get chance, you should enjoy. Okay, if you want to be young and if you want to be healthy, you should enjoy. You should be happy from inside, so that you will be young for forever. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed so much, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and be happy and enjoy every moment of your life. Okay, and Allah Hafiz.